been a long time. We shouldn't have left you without a don't be. Step two, step two, step two, step two, step two. Baby girl,
What would you do to get to me? What would you say to have your way? Would you give up or try again? Never hesitate to let you in. Now would you be yourself or play a role? Tell all the boys or keep it low. If I say no, would you turn away or play me off? Or would you stay up? Dust yourself off and try again. You can dust it off and try again and try again. Cause if the first you don't succeed, you can dust it off and try again. Dust yourself off and try again and try again. I'm into you, you into me, but I can't let it go.
been a long time. Shouldn't have left you without a don't be. Step two, step two, step two, step two, step two.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing something different. It's always something different. But yeah, we're gonna be doing something different. I have this here. It is a wig from UNice, and I'm going to be installing it. This should be fun. It's been a minute since I've done this. Well, not this kind of video, but like actually installed it. So if you can even call mine an install, like this is the best I can fucking do. That's what it is. Okay, you guys, so this is the inside of the wig, what it looks like. I have no knowledge or anything about how the wig is supposed to look. Like, I don't even know if the knots are bleached correctly or not. So I just went in and put some concealer in it inside. So I didn't show that, but I don't know, I just felt safer with the concealer. So I did that on the inside on the lace, and yeah, this is also obviously the wig wet, but yeah, so this is me putting on the Got2b glue spray, because I don't have any well, we'll get to that part. Okay, so yeah, this is just me putting on the spray. Yeah, as if I know what I'm doing, but yeah. Okay, so yeah, all those fast clips, yeah, that was me with the cap, and it was just really bad. So yeah, this is me trying to find the part. I got frustrated and just said fuck it. Like, I was so annoyed, and then like I said, I'm at work, so I had to, if you see me looking up, yeah, that's what it was. Anywho, this is me putting the wig down. No, this is me putting the wig down. And as you can see in my cap, like, I cut way too much. Hi you guys. Okay, so this is like really brief, gonna be a really brief video. So as you can see, my hair is done. You just saw the little clips of me putting it together. Look, the plan was for me to do like a whole like video or whatever, but y'all, I had the most trouble, and I'm sure you can tell it still does not look the way it should look, but I ran out of patience, and like I said, okay, whatever, it looks okay, it looks decent, and I'm gonna just have to rework it or whatever. And it's really hard because I don't have like a what's that thing called, wig stand, wig head or whatever, so like I can't actually fix it, you know, I can't actually see how to fix it or whatever correctly. So like I struggled. and this is the best I can do right now. But as far as the hair goes, it's really nice. It's really nice. It does take heat very well, even though all I did was straighten it, or attempted to straighten it. Like it was, as you saw, it was like really, it wasn't crinkly. It was like loose, like a body wave type shit. But I washed it, and when I washed it, and let it dry, which took 1,000 years seems like, because I was supposed to do this video yesterday, but I washed the hair and everything yesterday. So all those clips you saw before, that was yesterday, and it took forever for the hair to dry, and I didn't have a blow dryer, so I couldn't like speed the process. So I was like, man, it was just a process, and it's not even done. But as you can see, it's straight. It's not bone straight. It ain't bone straight. No, it's not bone straight. I could not get it bone straight. The curlers that I have, these babies right here, this right here, I actually got this from UNice. Was it UNice? UNice to love me, whatever. The free curling iron. That's what I got. So I need to get some better ones. So look, we got to fake it until we make it, okay? Because this is what it's gonna be until I can like maybe get some flexi rods or something like that and put some curls in it. But I actually want to do like straight hair anyways, because I've been doing like curls for a while now. That curly mess that I had, which was, by the way, I'm not gonna knock that wig down tremendously because it held on for a long ass time. I had that wig for like at least 2 years, and it definitely looked like it was old, like 2 weeks old, not 2 weeks, 2 years old. But then again, it didn't. When I touched it up a little bit, it didn't. So it held out as long as it could. Like that was a definitely struggle wig, and I'm struggling right now with this. So this is like a borderline struggle, but we got color. We got color. Do you see this color? Color, y'all. And I discovered that honey. This is honey blonde. Honey blonde is my color. I discovered this color last year. No, this wasn't last year. Maybe about 2 years ago. Maybe about 2 years ago, I discovered the honey blonde. So I really like the color on me. If nothing else failed, if everything else failed, the color did not. And another thing, this is not my first install. It's not my first install, but I haven't perfected installs yet. I've only done like maybe a handful of installs, so do not judge me, okay? So I almost did not do these baby hairs. You can barely see them. Like I almost didn't do them because I struggled. And also the plucking, I'm sorry, I stopped. I quit because that annoyed me. I did not want to do that. Even though I know I need to, and I am going to go back and do it. But I may, I already said flexi rods. Put some flexi rods in there to make it curly. Not now, but like eventually. Because I am going to want some curls eventually. I don't want it to be just like straight the whole entire time. But yeah, I am going to actually show you guys what this hair looks like in a ponytail. I'm going to definitely show y'all this. You know what, this is a no judgment zone. So don't judge how this wig look, because look, I tried. Okay, I tried. I'm not professional. Never claimed to be professional. I'm just trying to put on a wig because I'm tired of having the other wig on. I'm damn done. So don't judge me. Where's my phone? I'm just want to show y'all basically what it looks like up. I mean, I actually kind of did. I mean, no, I didn't. But I kind of did this part right here. I don't know, to me it looks okay. It looks really bad. Like, on the camera. But you know what? I don't care. Because, bitch, I tried. I tried, okay? Okay, so yeah. That's just what it looks like up in a ponytail. It's, like I said, not the greatest. Definitely not the greatest. Struggle is real. Okay. Yeah, so yeah, that's what it like up. It can go up and all that stuff. So yeah, put it down, back down. Okay, play with it, cause yeah. Okay. And as far as that, like trying to smooth it down, cause I know I do see that hump right here. I try. I ain't got a flat iron. I don't have a. I do have a flat iron, but I don't have a what is that thing called? Hot comb. I don't have a hot comb. So look, I had to do what I had to do. Okay. So I did as much as I could with the flat iron, but it didn't really do much. It still got a little hump, but it was like way up there, so it sorted down. And this one right here, I actually like that like this. I didn't want to put that down like that. I need to watch some videos on how to like layer this part, because I do want it to be layered. Like I want like a little Aaliyah type thing. That's my thing, the side thing. Yeah. If I can just get that going, then that'd be great. But other than that, I really like this wig. I really like it. I could definitely give it a 10. Even though it doesn't look like a 10 on me. This is a 10 wig, okay? It's just when you do it right, it looks better. So I'm gonna actually come back. I'm gonna give y'all an update. And I have to sneeze. No, I had to cough. Now I have to sneeze. Okay. Okay. So yeah, this is the wig. I'm sorry. This is like really bad, but hey, y'all, I tried. Give me an A for effort, okay? Cause I tried. And then I was on half of this shit while I was at work, so like. Oh, and I did my makeup. You probably can't even see it, but I don't like to wear that much makeup, so you probably can't see it. I don't have like a foundation, a little powder, a little concealer, no lashes, because I have nails, and I can't put on lashes with nails. I can barely put the one without nails. And then I have like 2 sets of lashes, and I have no glue. So yeah, that's also a problem. I'm missing, I have like one, it's like peanut butter and no jelly. Like that's my situation right now. So yeah, I'm not gonna make this much longer. I really hope you guys enjoyed this struggle, this but yeah, I'm just gonna like do some little pictures, well not pictures, but like, I don't know, you'll see. Bye bye. Oh, like, comment, subscribe. Now bye bye. Bye y'all.